Hi, coffee lovers. Plug the machine into the socket and turn on the switch. Remove the cap and fill the reservoir with bottled water. Do not use tap water for anything. Press the mug icon to start heating the machine. Lift the lid and place a coffee cup inside. Close the lid and wait about 30 seconds for the indicator lights to stop flashing. Place your mug and press the icon again to start brewing. Choose small or large. Wait for your delicious coffee. Once it's complete, lift the lid, turn off the switch and remove the plug from the socket. If needed, empty the used cups by pulling this component. Close the lid and enjoy your coffee.